Number 1. 1993 GMC Sonoma, price $8,200. This pickup is one of the cleanest V8 swap trucks available. 2WD model with a white exterior and only 21,300 miles. It features a cammed Vortec 350 engine with a Holley-carb, Edelbrock intake, shorty headers, and a 700R4 automatic transmission. The truck has been upgraded with a new radiator, steering linkage, brake lines, battery, and power window motors. Despite its performance setup and lowered stance, it still retains power steering, power brakes, and working AC and heat. It runs cool at 180 degrees Fahrenheit thanks to dual electric fans. Rust-free, reliable, and aggressive in both look and sound, this Sonoma starts right up and drives like a normal truck. Clean and clear title in hand. Number 2. 1997 Chevrolet 2500, price $6,500, powered by a reliable 6.5L turbo diesel engine. It has an automatic transmission and has covered approximately 290,000 miles, yet it continues to run strong. The truck features a blue exterior paired with a gray interior, both of which are in solid condition for its age. It comes equipped with an 8-foot bed that includes a black painted bed liner for added durability and utility. The vehicle rides on custom wheels and tires that still have about 90% of their tread life remaining, offering both style and performance. Inside, the cabin is clean and comfortable, enhanced with additional gauges mounted on the A-pillar for better monitoring of engine performance. Both the heating and air conditioning systems function well, making the truck suitable for all-season driving. It is also outfitted with a full tow package, including in-bed and rear receiver wiring connection points, ideal for hauling trailers or equipment. While the truck does show some minor rust, it remains a solid and dependable diesel workhorse. Number 3. 1980 Chevrolet LUV, price $10,000. This truck is a beautifully restored classic that's been garage-kept and only driven occasionally on Sundays. It features a vibrant yellow exterior paired with a sleek black leather interior, giving it a bold and clean look. The truck runs and drives well with a smooth-shifting manual transmission, and the odometer currently reads 136,000 miles. It sits on brand-new 20-inch wheels and tires, adding a modern touch to its vintage style. The vehicle is completely rust-free, a testament to its careful restoration and storage conditions. Whether for weekend cruising or adding to a collection, this Chevy LUV stands out as a well-maintained and stylish classic pickup. Number 4. 1976 Ford F100, price $10,000. It's equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission and finished in a striking yellow exterior. Under the hood, it features a 360 FE engine that received a complete FEL Pro reseal earlier this year. The truck is also upgraded with an ACES EFI system and an Edelbrock ready-to-run distributor, ensuring improved reliability and performance. Last year, a painless wiring harness was professionally installed, enhancing the truck's electrical system. It runs and shifts well, although the EFI system could benefit from some tuning. It's fully drivable as it stands. The truck burns a small amount of oil and would benefit from a few minor cosmetic fixes, such as new door panels and a glove box insert. Number 5. 1987 Jeep Comanche, price $5,800, equipped with a 4.0L inline-6 engine paired to a 5-speed manual transmission. With 169,800 miles on the odometer, it still runs, drives, and stops reliably. It had been used as a daily driver until the current owner brought another vehicle out of storage and purchased a KEI truck. The truck features an off-white exterior and a tan interior, both of which are in impressive condition considering its age. The interior, in particular, is exceptionally clean, featuring well-kept leather door panels and a matching leather seat. There's only a single small crack located on the driver's side corner of the dashboard, but everything else is in great shape. While the Jeep does have a few issues, they are relatively minor. There are some holes in the exhaust system, but it comes with a brand new muffler, exhaust pipe, and hangers, which simply haven't been installed yet. A manifold gasket is also included. Like many 4.0 engines from this era, it has the typical slow oil leak, likely coming from the rear main seal or oil pan gasket. It isn't severe, just checking the oil periodically is enough to keep things in check. Number 6. 1996 Dodge Ram 1500, price $6,000, low-mileage pickup with just 98,000 original miles on the odometer. Powered by a reliable 5.2L V8 engine and equipped with a floor-mounted 4x4 system, it's built to handle a range of tasks, from weekend hauling and light towing to navigating tough weather conditions with ease. The truck features an automatic transmission and runs on gasoline. the exterior is finished in a distinctive blue color that still shines up well despite minor cosmetic wear typical for its age. The interior is finished in gray, offering a clean and functional cabin. It has recently passed a new state inspection and comes with a clean Carfax report, giving added peace of mind to the next owner. Additional highlights include an ice-cold air conditioning system and a rust-free body, making this Ram a solid and dependable choice for anyone seeking a classic. Number 7. 1991 Chevrolet Silverado, price $2,500. With 230,000 miles on the odometer, it shows its age, but it still runs and drives well. Finished in a burgundy exterior, the truck is powered by a strong 5.7L V8 engine that maintains good oil pressure, delivers plenty of power, and stays cool under operation. Despite being equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission, not common for many Silverados, the gearbox shifts smoothly through all gears without grinding or popping out. Inside, power windows and door locks are fully functional, and the air conditioning blows cold, adding comfort to its rugged performance. While the tires are in fair condition, the exterior shows its rough side with dents, faded paint, and rust primarily in the cab corners. Number 8. 1991 GMC 1500, price $5,900. With just 91,800 miles on the odometer, it comes equipped with a 5.7L 350 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth and reliable performance. The truck runs and drives excellently, with zero mechanical issues and no check engine lights. It's also completely rust-free underneath, a rare find for a vehicle of this vintage. Finished in a blue exterior with a matching blue interior, this GMC offers both style and comfort. Within the past 3 years, the exterior has been professionally repainted, giving it a fresh, clean look. Inside, the headliner has been replaced, contributing to a tidy and updated cabin environment. Recent maintenance and upgrades include a new battery, new AC compressor, and newer brake components, including hoses, lines, pads, and rotors. All power accessories, such as the windows, door locks, and radio, are fully functional, ensuring a hassle-free driving experience. Number 9. 1982 Ford F100, price $5,500. It's powered by a dependable inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, offering smooth and reliable performance on the road. The truck runs and drives great, with the engine starting right up and shifting confidently through the gears. One of the most impressive aspects of this F100 is the overall condition of its body. It's solid and straight, showing minimal wear for its age. The originality of the vehicle has been maintained throughout, making it a great choice for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a clean, unmodified example of a classic Ford truck. It comes with a clean title in hand and is ready to be enjoyed by its next owner. Number 10. 1993 Dodge D150, price $4,000, finished in a sleek gray exterior with a matching gray interior. It's powered by a strong 5.2-liter 318 Magnum V8 engine paired with an automatic overdrive transmission, delivering smooth performance on the road. With 199,000 miles on the odometer and a clean title, this truck is ready to drive anywhere. It has recently received extensive maintenance, including a complete tune-up and a freshly serviced transmission with new fluid and filter. It shifts flawlessly. The entire brake system has been replaced, featuring new rotors, calipers, brake lines, and a master cylinder for confident stopping power. A brand new rough country suspension setup with new shocks ensures a solid and comfortable ride. Additional updates include a new battery, water pump, belt, thermostat, and fuel pump, ensuring long-term reliability. Inside the cabin, the air conditioning blows ice cold, and the heater works perfectly, making it a great year-round driver.